Unong yalam ka Seng NPP urakam sangma ula aidak aishin ba ki election Shiteng Samoi ha Gambegre kandai ka Jingïakhun khamtam Hapdeng ka Seng jong u bat ka Seng TMC da ka baong ba ka Seng Congress kadai ka batulot bat ka balarim palat ula ai jingmud ba ka jing thep wud na ka benta ka Seng Congress kan bu ya u MLA jong kani ka constituency ha kalyang persya usangma ula ongru babun ngud kinong yalam ka Seng Congress bat TMC kiladep yasno bat ka Seng NPP hashwa ban Ilekshon. Ungit ru ba ka jinglong jingman ba menta ha Gambegre kan kamno sya kalyang ka NPP. Kabapen paw ya kabor baklan jongka kat banang jan kisngi election.
At the different places of Gambegre, but it's very, very wonderful and very inspired to see people coming in support of NPP. But look like I also don't know, but looks like because the politician knows what's happened. But looks like I think the contest is between the NPP and the TMC. As of now, looks like the contest is between NPP and the TMC. But election is election. Every party is very important because Congress doesn't have the future. Look, you have the testimony that 3 sitting MLA joined the ruling government. Congress become emptied. So therefore, I think there is no future, there is no hope in the Congress. Forget about others. Sitting MLAs shifted their ship to other party. Forget about the people voting back to the Congress. So.
Kaseng BJP kalat tayar yaladi